everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share you how to create image to frame in Canva. I am using YouTube video design. First, open the Elements tab and search for cherry image. Select this one. Now, go to App section and search for Image to Frame app. Open this app. Upload an image or select one your design. Convert image to frame and resize it. Go to Element tab and search for cherry and select Video option. Choose your favorite video clip. I select this one. Now add this video of the canvas and replace the video clip into the cherry's frame. Time to change the background color to black. Add new page. Continue the same process with images apple, strawberry, and mango. Add transition. Move and match. Add also your favorite background music. Let's see. Time to watch preview my design. Have fun and thank you for watching.